Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will show you how to find suitable journal in your specialty that is indexed in Scopus. So this is the Scopus website. We go to sources, and here in the sources, if you know the journal, you can enter the title if you know the ISSN or the publisher. But today we'll talk about the subject area. So it is based on my subject area. Here all the subject area. So let's say my subject area is let's take infectious diseases and we press apply. So we have 479 journals in Scopus. That's one of their topic is infectious disease. On your left side, you can see some options, like you can display only open access journals. You can display only the Q1 journal, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Let's say I want only the Q1. You press apply, there's only 120 results. Okay, and also only journal, I don't want books, so it is 119. The good thing now in Scopus that you can export to Excel. So you just press this, all the result will be downloaded as an Excel file. This is Excel file. So later you can know the site score, the publisher, how many document they publish, and the percentage of documents cited, all this information about the journal. And also here, you can arrange based on the citation or the document or the site score. So this is like from the lowest to the highest. Okay, this is 3.4. You press on any journals, you can go to the journals, you can see the site score, the content coverage, like how many articles they publish every year, all the information inside. So this is the easiest way to know the journal in your specialty, to choose the suitable journal to publish your research in it. And also here, you can compare sources also. If you have two journals, you want to know the difference between them. So you can select up to 10 sources to complete. So here you put the titles and Scopus will compare for you. Okay, this is the two and it will compare for you between the two journals as a table or as a chart. So this is very useful, and this is the easiest way to find index journal in Scopus. Thank you so much.